Many of you asked me about how to export DNG presets in Lightroom Mobile, and I had no answer regarding that. Now, with the recent Lightroom 5.0 update, I have got the answer for that question. In this episode of Lightroom series, we will be discussing about how to export DNG presets without any external aid. Without any further ado, let's get started. This is Pawn from Pixing Create. If this is your first time here and you wanna learn how to edit videos and photos on your mobile, start your course by subscribing and clicking the bell so that you don't miss anything. And now, let's move on with the video. In our previous videos, we had discussed about creating and editing presets. If you haven't watched it yet, then here's the link appearing at the top right corner. Go ahead and check out that after the end of this video. Recently, with the Lightroom 5.0 update, which can be considered as one of the major updates, provides you the option to export images in the DNG format. If you haven't checked it out yet, let's see it together. I don't want to waste much time, so I'll apply the preset directly which I created before recording this video. Go to presets, experiments, because it's in the development state, and done. Now we have retouched our photo and it's time to save it. As I said in the previous videos, if you want, you can keep it on your phone in the data folder, that is in the XMP format. If you wanna save it in the raw format and you wanna share it with your friends and family, then here's what you should do. Click on the share button, then export, then select the file type, then DNG. You can add your copyright info, location info, and captions, metadata, etc. with a more options button, then click on OK. The image is now exporting. Done. Now let's see whether it's saved in the DNG format or not in the image gallery. We have opened the photo. To confirm that the image is in the DNG format, what you should do is that check out the info of this image by clicking this I button. As we can see here, the extension of this image is in the .dng format, which is raw. And that's pretty much it. If you found this video useful, drop a like and do subscribe. Not just subscribe, ring the bell so that you will be notified whenever I post a new and awesome video. And I will be signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.